This is very different. It's a V60 the aerodynamics of Formula 1 car basically is around a track. This is
Because they also went to Le Mans with this car and had huge success in sports car racing. Do you think, obviously, long term, that's something to consider for the collector?
Oh, 100%. You know, the Ford GT Sport.
So, on this already there, I've had I just want something great big and fun. Yeah. But no, so
You gentlemen, you deal with 6 cars from every year, every